Hello, goodwill. On this auspicious day, festival day of Pongal Yugadi, let us share our unconditional love to nature, which bestows us with life. We should be grateful for every moment of life existence because even our human body is made up of five elements of water, earth, air, clouds, or space, and fire. We are supposed to live in coordination with nature. But because we are not doing that, we see natural disasters all over the world in frequent periods. So let us love our nature to be happy and thankful. Thank you.